No cats waiting for me tonight. Where are my kitties? I suppose they're still hiding from this windy. Oh, there's one. Little green eyes coming to me. That's Puffy. Not Puffy. Chubby. And there's Tommy. And there's Felix. They're all coming to me. But I've stopped bringing food because they bought 2 big bags. So Felix and Pretty Boy now, and Shy is that? Okay, I'm gonna get out and see what's going on. Oh, shit. Oh, it's still windy up here. Chubby, Tommy, Chubby, Pretty Boy, Shy, Vancouver, Canadian cat. I suppose the rest of them are up here. Yeah. It's pretty busy here tonight. Most of the cars are parked up that way. Still windy though. The dogs are scaring you. The dogs are scaring you. Alrighty, let me go and see what's going on behind here. Get a view of the wall before I turn it off. Oh yeah, there's stuff in here. Okay. You can see it's rained up here earlier. I'm gonna put my gloves on. No sense, where did this come out from? It says, I'm gonna put my gloves on and see what's out. I see someone walking out there. I suppose they're going to the ATM. Alright, so that's what I got out. Some watermelon, some cucumbers, some strawberries. Supposed to dump them out to make lessons. Bananas, avocado, some oranges were in there. I don't bother with those. And that's about it. Because when I see mess from the previous night, I know it hasn't been emptied, so whatever is on top is all that's going to be thrown out for today. And I see the restaurant stuff on top as well, so that means nothing else was thrown out from the supermarket. So there we go. Just keep that there until I come back. I'm going to check over here now. Just cleaning stuff is still here. There are cars there, both there at the restaurant. Alright. So all of this stuff is just stormy weather. Alright. I'll go get my box and be off. Oh, didn't check up behind here. Plastic. That's a good box. I'm going to save that. Take this with me. That's it. What time is it? 8:35, and they're still in there. That's weird. They're usually done after around 8. I'll take this up and then borrow this to bring that stuff back. It's not that heavy. Can't risk hurting my back again. Let's take this garbage up and then bring it back. I'll just have a quick look before I put this stuff. You never know, sometimes I miss stuff. There you go. Missed these tomatoes actually. So it's a good thing I did a double check. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother. It's too windy and I don't feel the best of health right now. So. Yeah, definitely a bit of rain up here. You can tell by the water in this. Oh, I hit the button by mistake. Alright, take it back up here. There, cats. Okay. I hate these auto locks. Rest this here for a minute. There we go. It's in there. Put this back. Oh, there was a bit of water here. You can see the water is almost overflowing in the drain there. Hey, Chubby, come and check in a bit. I got this as well. Tommy's in a playful mode. Hey Tommy. Hey Tommy. Alright, let me take off the gloves and wash my hands and get back. Look at it. Look at him. Come on. That's why you're so hungry. Troy and Audrey isn't here tonight, so there you go. My job tonight. Come on. Hey, looky. So make sure you're all here. There's another, there you go. And there's one more up there. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna start right to left this time. The Semitic way. Right to left. Whoa. Pushing me out of the way. Tommy. Come on, you all should know by now that you all get a chance to eat. Toby is he's following the line down. Leave her alone, she will fight you. You know she'll fight you. It's this little shy boy. Yeah, there you go. Tommy's slapping at his at Ashes. Is that Ashes? Ashes, is that you? Yeah, you got a big bite. Some of them are missing. Where's Scratchy? I don't see Scratchy. Oh, there's Scratchy. Tommy's here, Chubby, Shy. Where's Vancouver? Oh, there she is. Some of them, I think there's a few. I'll leave us extra spot here. An extra spot for them, just in case. Alright. Let's call moonlight dining. There you go. Moonlight dining. And I'm gonna post this at the end of the video. You know, I can't drop my glasses anymore. See what I did? I used that cord that I found the other night and made my very own thing. I'm gonna post that at the end, so it doesn't make sense to even talk about it now. Did that just before I came out, so quite cool. I can't drop them anymore. There you go. They're all set. Oh, there's Chica. Okay. Alright, these are the leftover scraps from the restaurant. Quite a bit. Chickens will enjoy that tomorrow. And I've got my regular leftover ice from the bar. So I'm all set. Sure, this is still up. And the cats are still following me. I fed you guys already, eh? You've been fed already. Tomorrow you'll get more. Troy and Audrey will be here tomorrow, so they'll get more food. And that is the moon is about to climb behind some clouds there. I'm off. Come on. There we go. Alright, remember this cord? What I did, just a temporary fix because I cut the end off and made little thing for my spectacles here. There you go. Just a temporary fix so I'll stop dropping my glasses, eh? Just burn the edges to avoid it frizzling up. And there we go. It'll work for now until I can find a good one. Or maybe I'll just keep using this, eh? Pretty good. There we go.